Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Unico Hotel in Montego Bay. Now, this hotel is going to be 550 rooms and it's one of 3 hotels to be built on this property. So currently, all the structures that we're going to see today are a part of the Unico Hotel construction. The second hotel development, but it hasn't started yet, is going to be the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. It's going to be to the right of this hotel, between this hotel and Iberostar. And then a third hotel is going to be built on this property. Now, originally it was stated to be a Ritz-Carlton, but there was a recent announcement that a new Moon Palace hotel would be built in Montego Bay. So I'm not sure if the third hotel is going to be the Ritz-Carlton or the Moon Palace. But this one is the Unico, and it's going to be a massive hotel, although it's just 550 rooms. Now, we are in Lilliput in Montego Bay, about 15 minutes drive from the Montego Bay airport, and this development is located along the Northern Coastal Highway. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And this hotel is a part of the Elegant Corridor, which goes from Montego Bay all the way to Iberostar. So this entire strip will eventually have hotels from the airport to, I guess, where we are now. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. That's the highway, and all those structures are going to be part of the Unico. And straight ahead is where you find Iberostar, and between this hotel and Iberostar, the section we're looking at straight ahead now is where they're going to build the Hard Rock Hotel. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.